Time to recall what we have done before. Solve a quadratic equation. 2 answers coming up. Okay, if we would solve this by factoring, we would need a 0 on one side. Let's move 54 over with addition. And then we will look for the numbers that multiply to make 54, and they have to add to make 6. It is not 1 and 54. It is not 2 and 27. It is not 3 and 18. 4 won't cooperate, neither will 5. It is not 6 and 9. 7 and 8, the only numbers left, they don't work. You can't find a pair of factors that will add to make 6, so it is not factorable. That is when you resort to the quadratic formula, also requiring a 0 on one side. So that quadratic formula goes, this negative boy was uncertain, should he go to the radical party? Because he's a square, he's going to miss out on 4 awesome chicks, and it is all over at 2 a.m. A will be that which is in front of x squared. B is that which is in front of x, and C is the constant. Plug into the formula. The opposite of B, that is the opposite of 6, a negative 6. B squared is 6 squared. 4 times A times C. This is all over 2 times A. Okay, well, let's work it out. Squaring positive 6, like squaring negative 6, makes 36. 4 times 1 times 54 is 216. This is all over 2. Okay, combining like terms, 36 take away 216 is a negative 180. All over 2. Okay, we've come pretty far. Let's work on simplifying this radical. I see that there is a negative inside, so I know what I will be taking out. I will take out the I. But I need to think about the rest, so let's see what we have. Consider the factors of 180. You can start anywhere. What if you decided to start with 5? 5 would go into that 36 times. Well, you could break 36 down into 6 and 6. You don't have to stop there if you don't want to. But you don't have to keep going, because we see a pair there, something to take out, and an oddball to leave behind. Even if you use different factors, you will eventually come to the same conclusion. So we take out the 6, since the square root of 36 is 6. We take out the I, because we have square root of a negative. Let's leave the 5 behind. This is all over 2. We have simplified the radical. Now we simplify the fraction. All terms in the numerator share that same denominator. Let's reduce it. 6 over 2 is 3. Do it again. Okay, we have 2 answers. They are imaginary. Negative 3 plus 3i squared roots of 5 and negative 3 minus 3i squared roots of 5. Okay, you enjoy the review.